Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you basically, or I'm gonna review the Byin airdrop. So is it legit or another scam? Byin is the ultimate one-click meme launchpad on the Ton blockchain, designed to revolutionize the way meme coins are created and traded. So if you search for a buy-in any trading website that includes Bitget, Bybit, I think they will list it. You're gonna be able just to type in buy-in, and you're gonna be able to find the token, and you're gonna notice that they are serious about this meme coin. Like the success of meme coin like Solana, bolstered by platforms like Pump.fun, has highlighted the demand for convenient infrastructure supporting meme coins, launches, and trades, right? And you're going to be able right here to see the buy-in achievements since it's launched. Buy-in has amassed a strong user base. Approximately 1.5 million users have claimed buy-in via the Telegram bot, with over 460,000 monthly active users, with 200,000 stakers, right? And you're gonna be able right here to see their project right here, which is Byin website and bot launch, Byin claim, Byin staking, Byin task, counter or centers launch, and then phase 3, the Byin IDO and Byin Launchpad beta listing, and basically Byin Launchpad public, and then eventually empowerment. So basically you're going to be able right here to see the roadmap for the Byin, and you're going to notice that they are serious about this token. This meme coin will be flying in the next few months. So this is the best time to actually invest in the Byin meme coin. So if you want to know how to withdraw Byin and deposit to gate.io, basically you're gonna follow the instructions right here. Connect wallet from Telegram bot, and then basically you're gonna be able to select the exchange, which is the gate.io. I assume that they're gonna launch the Byin, or they're gonna list the Byin to another website exchange, like maybe Kraken, Solana, or even Bybit or Binance. So basically, you're gonna notice that this project is actually legit. So you might need to consider investing in Byin. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.